Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to back up WhatsApp messages. The first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp, then you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, scroll down to chats, tap on chats, and you can see some options, then tap on chat backup. And then you can see it here, then tap, this is the backup, you see the last time you backed up and everything, the size. You can tap on backup. Then you can also choose the Google account you want to back it up to, the frequency of when you want to back it up. Never back up daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. It depends on you. You can also decide to include videos. I can also include backup using cellular. So it all depends on you. I want it on that, tap on backup. It's as simple as that. So take a few minutes to back up, and that way you have backed up your chats and media to your Google account storage, and you can restore them on a new phone after